Meta, the fox behind Facebook, just made their AI super smart. They released a new version called LLAMA 3.1. This latest version of their LLAMA series of large language models come with several exciting updates. One of the biggest improvements from LLAMA 3 to LLAMA 3.1 is enhanced support for non-English languages. Previously, LLAMA 3's training data was 95% English, resulting in less impressive performance in other languages. With 3.1 update, the model now supports German, French, Italian, Portuguese, Hindi, Spanish, and Thai language as well, making it much more versatile and effective for global audiences. Another significant upgrade is in-context window, the amount of text the model can consider at once. LLAMA 3 had an 8K token limit, around 6,000 words, but LLAMA 3.1 boosts this to a modern 128K tokens. This makes it competitive with other state-of-the-art language models, allowing it to handle much larger chunks of text and deliver more coherent and contextually aware responses. Now, talking about the best part, anyone can share the smart AI. Meta is sharing it with everyone, and in the end of this video, we will cover that also. So stay tuned till the end of this video.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Right, so without further ado, let's get started. So what is LLAMA 3.1? So LLAMA 3.1 is an exciting update to the LLAMA 3 model, which was initially announced in April 2024. This point update brings several enhancements and improvements to already impressive capabilities of LLAMA 3. The flagship version of LLAMA 3.1, known as LLAMA 3.1405B, is particularly noteworthy due to its massive scale. As the name suggests, the version boasts an astounding 405 billion parameters, making it one of the most powerful models available. So the increase in parameters allows LLAMA 3.1 to handle more complex tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency. This means it can understand and generate human-like text even better than its predecessors. Whether it's for natural language processing, machine translations, or any other applications, LLAMA 3.1 405B is designed to deliver top-notch performance. One of the key benefits of LLAMA 3.1 is its ability to learn from vast amounts of data, which helps it generate more contextually relevant and coherent responses. This makes it an invaluable tool for developers and researchers working on advanced AI applications. So this was about LLAMA 3.1. Now let's understand how it actually works. So LLAMA 3.1045B is an advanced language model built upon a standard decoder-only transformer architecture, a design that has proven successful for many large language models. Meta has introduced slight enhancement to this core structure to improve the model's ability and performance during training. One notable adjustment is the intentional exclusion of the mixture of experts, that is MOE. So this MOE architecture helps in prioritizing stability and scalability. So here's how 3.1405B works. So the model starts by breaking down the input text into smaller units called tokens. So these tokens are then transformed into numerical representations known as token embeddings, which capture the essence of each token in a format that model can work with. So these embeddings are then processed through several layers where the model examines the relationships between different tokens. This allows the model to understand the context and significance of each token in the input text, ensuring it captures the nuances and details accurately. So the processed information is then further refined through network that combines and interprets the data to drive deeper meaning. This step is repeated multiple times, helping the model to develop a thorough understanding of the input text. Finally, the model generates a response one token at a time using the context from previous tokens to create a coherent and relevant output. This method, known as autoregressive decoding, ensures that the generated text flows naturally and makes sense in context. So this was about the working of LLAMA 3.1. Now let's have a look at its safety measures. So Meta places a significant emphasis on ensuring the safety of their LLAMA 3.1 models. Before releasing LLAMA 3.1405B, they conducted extensive red teaming exercises. In these exercises, internal and external experts act as advisories, trying to find ways to make the model behave in harmful or inappropriate ways. So this helps identify potential risk or vulnerabilities in the model's behavior. So in addition of pre-deployment testing, LLAMA 3.1 405B undergoes safety fine-tuning. So this process involves techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback, where the model learns to align its responses with human values and preferences. This helps mitigate harmful or biased outputs, making the model safer and more reliable for real-world use cases. Meta also introduced LLAMA Guard 3, a new multilingual safety model designed to filter and flag harmful or inappropriate content generated by LLAMA 3.1. So this additional layer of protection helps ensure that the model output adhere to ethical and safety guidelines. Another safety feature is Prompt Guard, which aims to prevent prompt injection attacks. So these attacks involve inserting malicious instructions into user prompts to manipulate the model's behavior. Prompt Guard filters out such instructions, safeguarding the model from potential misuses. Alright, so this was about the safety measures. Now let's understand the use cases of LLAMA 3.1. So while the LLAMA 3.1 often steals the spotlight with its immense size and power, the LLAMA 3.1 family includes other models that are equally impressive, yet tailored for different needs and resource constraints. So these models leverage the same advanced technology as 405B model, but are designed to efficiently handle specific tasks. So first is healthcare assistant. Imagine you have a chronic illness and need constant monitoring and advice. So LLAMA 3.1 can help by providing personalized health tips, reminding you to take your medication and even interpreting your health data to alert you and your doctor about the potential issues before they become serious. Next is language learning. If you're trying to learn a new language, LLAMA 3.1 can act as your language partner. It can help with grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and even cultural nuances. You can practice conversation and get instant feedback. Next one is data analysis and visualization. For data scientists, LLAMA 3.1 can assist in cleaning and pre-processing data, performing complex analysis and generating visualizations. So it can suggest the most relevant statistical methods and provide interpretations of the results. Then there is DevOps automation. In DevOps, LLAMA 3.1 can automate various stages of CI/CD pipeline, monitor systems performance, and optimize deployment processes. So it can also predict potential system failures and suggest preventive measures. So this was about it. So now let's discuss about LLAMA 3.170B. So imagine needing a versatile tool that balances performance and efficiency. That's LLAMA 3.170B is for you. It's excellent for a variety of applications, whether you need to summarize lengthy articles, create multilingual conversational agents, or get some coding assistance. Despite being smaller than the massive 405B model, the 70B model still holds its ground in various benchmarks. It competes well with other models of similar size, but open and closed. Its more compact size makes it easier to deploy and manage on standard hardware, making it practical choice for many users. So the next one is LLAMA 3.18B. So let's discuss it. So if the speed and minimal resource consumption are what you are after, the LLAMA 3.18B is the model to go for. It's lightweight and highly efficient, making it ideal for scenarios where computational resources are limited, like on edge devices or mobile platforms. Despite the smaller size, the 8B model delivers competitive performance. It's quick and efficient, perfect for tasks where you need to balance performance with resources constraints. Whether you are using it on smartphone or a low power device, it handles the job efficiently. So while the 405 model gets a lot of attention, the LLAMA 3.1 family offers these other models that are tailored to fit specific needs and constraints. Now let's understand how to access this LLAMA 3.1. That is the interesting part. So you can access the LLAMA 3.1 405 model to a few different platforms depending on where you are and what you need. So Meta AI and WhatsApp is the first one. If you are in US, you can use LLAMA 3.405B directly on Meta AI's website or even through WhatsApp. All you need to do is to sign in with your Facebook or Instagram account and you are good to go. That's it. Next one is Hugging Chat. For those outside the US, Hugging Chat is a great option. They host the LLAMA 3.405B model, and the best part is you don't even need to sign up. Just start chatting. Alright, now coming to the third one, that is Grok, G-R-O-Q. So another platform that offers access to LLAMA 3.1 models, including the 405B version, is Grok. So it is a solid choice if you are looking for a reliable way to use this model. Next one is Amazon SageMaker, Jumpstart, and Amazon Bedrock. If you are into more advanced applications like generating synthetic data or fine-tuning smaller models, these Amazon services are perfect. They provide robust access to the LLAMA 3.405 model, making it easier to integrate into your projects. Each of these platforms make it super easy to tap into the powerful capabilities of LLAMA 3.1, so you can pick the one that best fits your needs. With LLAMA 3.1, Meta continues to push the boundaries of language modeling. Its enhanced multilingual support, expanded context window, and flexible licensing, making it a powerful tool for researchers, developers, and business alike. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.